All right, level 4. In level 4 we're going to do multi-step trig problems. So we're looking basically at 2 triangles and then adding our 2 answers together. So number 7, a building is 100 meters away from a cell phone tower. So here's that 100 marked down here. Jen stands at B on the top, and she measures an angle from B up to the top of the tower to be 62. So that's her angle of elevation. So Jen is at the top of the building, and she measures 62 degrees up to the top at point E. Okay. This is the angle of elevation. Then she measures the angle from B down to the bottom of the tower at C to be 34 degrees. So here's that angle of depression. What is the height of the entire cell phone tower? So what we want to find out is I need to use this triangle, the top one, BED, to find out that length. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the triangle BCD to find out that length. And then I'm going to add them together. So really, this is what I'm trying to find. But since that triangle BEC isn't a right triangle, I got to break it up into 2 right triangles. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and redraw the top triangle. So here's 62. Okay, we get the 100 from the bottom, so this length is also 100. And I need to find that in there, up and down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark my sides. And so I've got opposite and adjacent, so I'm going to use tangent. So 100 times a tangent of 62. 188.0726. So I'm going to take a couple decimal places in the beginning, and then I'm going to round at the very, very end. Okay, now I'm going to redraw that second triangle. So again, I'm going to be using tangent. So 100 times tangent of 34 is 64. Whoops, 64. 67. Sorry, 67. 0.45085. So from here, now I'm going to add x plus y together. So 188.0726 plus 67.4580. Whoops, 85. Gosh. Okay, so 188.0726 plus 67.45085 will give us a grand total of 255.5 feet. So I'm going to go ahead and round this up to 56 because the direction says to the nearest whole meter. So 256 meters is your final answer. Okay, so what we did is we just broke this up into a bunch of different pieces so we could use right triangle trig to find our final answer.